Oh yeah, it's one floor below the observation deck. That's a free ticket out too. Just $35. Okay. Here we go. All right. Are you all going straight to your tables? Or observation deck first? There. These are the old fairgrounds we're looking down onto and west to Elliott Bay. That body of water connects to the Pacific Ocean. It's got our country's largest fleet of ferry boats. Hey, there's our largest ferry right there. Carries 400 people, 200 cars. Pretty awesome. To your left here. Halfway there. To your left you can see downtown where the Hawks play with double white arches. And tallest building in Seattle, 950 feet. Well, here we are at 500. You'll be seeing the city every 47 minutes, powered by a 1.5 horsepower motor. Here we are.